The 7 secrets of affiliate success most marketers will not tell you. There is no shortage of affiliate marketing success books on the market. In fact, there are too many of them. Unfortunately, if you read any one of them, you probably will not be all that successful. Why? Real successful affiliate marketers have 7 secrets that they do not want other people to know. They're not going to voluntarily share this information. If you wrap your mind around these secrets, you increase your chances of affiliate marketing success. They know how to say no. Successful affiliate marketers are exposed to many opportunities. In fact, they are exposed to too many opportunities. Accordingly, they have developed a great ability to turn down opportunities. They are focused. Now, this doesn't mean that they're not open to any and all opportunities. Instead, they have a fairly clear idea of the kind of opportunities that make sense to them. They fail quickly. Sadly, not all opportunities lead to money. Some are just dead ends. Others take a lot of time. Others take a lot of resources. Successful affiliate marketers know how to set up a business, and if it doesn't meet certain requirements, they shut it down, and then they move on. They learn their lesson, and they do it quickly. They ask for help. Successful affiliate marketers are not loners. While some of them may be antisocial, they are not shy when it comes to asking for expert help. They do not let their pride or ego get in the way of getting the help they need to succeed. They know when to stop bootstrapping. A lot of affiliate marketers who stay small remain small because their budget stays small. While there are a lot of good things about bootstrapping, if you want to be truly successful, you will have to learn how to finance your affiliate marketing empire. Learn to take investors. The only role of bootstrapping really is to validate your proof of concept. They focus on scalability. Successful affiliate marketers start small, but they don't stay small. They pick opportunities based on the opportunity's ability to scale up into a larger and larger business. Otherwise, they're not interested. They understand opportunity costs. This is a big one. Successful affiliate marketers understand that if they're doing one thing that pays $10 an hour, they may be staying away from something that could have been paying $200 an hour. This is why they focus on return on effort. You should too. They optimize in a systematic way. All business people understand the importance of optimization. However, the successful ones do it in a systematic way. They don't just jump in and do things randomly. They have a series of steps that they follow, which leads to predictable results or predictable measurements. Keep the 7 secrets above in mind so your affiliate marketing efforts become successful.